Living a lifestyle that reduces your cancer risk is wise, and drinking a glass of parsley juice a day may help you do this. Parsley contains a chemical compound which is known to help prevent breast cancer cell growth, and may be able to kill cancer cells and decrease the size of the tumors. Some scientists think that the compound will work as a non-toxic treatment in the future. Studies on cancer cells have also found that it exhibits anti-proliferation and anti-inflammation properties in colon cancer. 2. Fights inflammation. It might be incredibly common, but inflammation can actually be deadly. Parsley helps because it's high in antioxidants like vitamin C, A, and E, which can help soothe inflammation. This can help reduce the risk of arthritis and inflammation of the joints. Parsley is also an excellent source of flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that helps reduce the risk of a number of chronic diseases, including cancer, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. 3. Makes grilling safer. It's a wise idea to enjoy parsley with your char-grilled chicken, fish, and steak to help minimize the cancer-causing effects of a type of chemical produced when proteins are cooked at high temperatures. If you fancy a change from a glass of parsley juice, you can quickly whip up a tasty, beneficial sauce for your grilled meats by blending parsley, fresh garlic, salt, pepper, some apple cider or red wine vinegar, and olive oil together. 4. Endless skin benefits. Eating parsley has endless benefits to your complexion. The herb is high in vitamin C, which prevents aging by fighting free radicals that cause oxidative stress. The nutrient also helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, helps in cell repair, and stimulates collagen production. This helps the skin look supple and young. Additionally, the vitamin C ion parsley can brighten the skin and reduce uneven spots. Vitamin C may also help reduce hyperpigmentation. Parsley is rich in a variety of nutrients aside from vitamin C, including copper, zinc, manganese, calcium, and potassium, which are essential for healthy skin. The antimicrobial properties in parsley have shown promise in helping fight bacteria and reduce acne. And some research has found that parsley may help balance out excess sebum. Finally, just when you thought we covered all the skin-related benefits of parsley, this impressive herb also contains antioxidants that have shown to help in reducing irritation and redness of the skin. 5. Strengthens bones. The high vitamin K content in parsley makes it a great herb for helping strengthen the bones. Vitamin K deficiency has been linked with higher risk of bone fracture and a condition characterized by weak bones called osteoporosis. This is because it works with vitamin D to regulate cells in the bones that are needed for growth and healing. Getting enough vitamin K, which just half a cup of parsley juice provides, improves your body's ability to absorb calcium and modifies proteins in the bone matrix, both of which help improve bone health. But vitamin K isn't the only nutrient in parsley that supports bone health. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant and vitamin, is vital in the production of collagen, which is needed to make up the flexible scaffold of bone.